Welcome to this MachineBuilder quick tips video on using the measurement tools. There are 3 different measurement tools that can be found under the annotations section in the top toolbar. The first tool, Measure Face to Face, allows you to measure the distance between 2 parallel planar surfaces. Do this by first selecting the tool, then select the first planar surface within your design to act as the starting. Select a second parallel planar surface to act as the endpoint and get the distance between the 2 surfaces. You can also use the shortcut M on your keyboard to open the face-to-face measurement tool. The second tool allows you to measure the length of an edge or the radius of a circular feature. Do this by selecting Measure Edge from the Annotations drop-down menu, then left-clicking on the desired linear edge to get the length, or circular edge to get the radius. Again, you can do the same thing by using the shortcut letter E on your keyboard. The third measurement tool, Measure Point to Point, allows you to measure the distance between any 2 points in your design. Do this by selecting Measure Point to Point from the drop-down menu, then left-clicking to select the starting point of your desired measurement. You'll notice that it will automatically snap to the center of any planar surface or to the center or endpoint of any linear edge. If you'd like to select any arbitrary point, you can hold Control and then left-click. Now, selecting the second point will give you the distance between the 2. You can also use the shortcut letter O on your keyboard to the same end.